What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to AB Moto. As you can see, I have a Yz85 right here, a 2005 Yz85 to be exact, and you won't believe how much I bought this bike for. But then again, you might know because that's the title. Yeah. So anyway, all jokes aside, I bought this bike for $500, and in today's video, we're gonna see if we can get this bike running. As you can see, pretty much everything is there, but when I bought it, the main thing that was missing was the top end. Now I have a top end. I ordered one off Amazon. Other than that, the bottom end is already rebuilt. I just got to install the new top end. Another thing that was missing when I bought it was the front brakes. The front brake lever and master cylinder, the brake line, and the front brake caliper. Also, the front number plate was missing. The plastics, it needs some new plastics. Just put it like that. But I already ordered a brand new set of plastics, so we're gonna wait for those to come. We're gonna put those on too. I have the chain, it's just not on yet. The rear brakes are there, the pedal, master cylinder, and the caliper. The gas tank and seat could use a little cleaning. I also have the exhaust system, and I'm gonna put that on when I reinstall the motor. So now that I pretty much went over the bike, I'm gonna take off the gas tank, the seat. I'm gonna also remove the motor and take it to the workbench so I can install the new top end. All right, here we have the new top end kit. Got a brand new cylinder head, brand new piston ring. Then we got some new seals. So without further ado, let's go ahead and install the new top end. All right, now that I have the new top end installed, I'm gonna go ahead and put the motor back into the bike and go from there. It has good compression, so I'm gonna go ahead and check for spark. I don't know if you can see, but it has good spark. All right, so the bike has good compression and good spark. So next I'm gonna hook up the carburetor and the exhaust. I'm gonna spray it with some starter fluid and see if I can get it fired up. as you can see, pretty much got the bike put back together. I got the motor in, I got the exhaust hooked up, got the carb hooked up, got oil in it. I put water in the radiator for testing purposes, but later I'll drain the water and put some coolant in it. I don't have any mixed gas right now, so I'm gonna hit it with some starting fluid and see if I can get it fired up. Let's see if it fires up. Well, as you can see, it fired up. So I guess you could say this video was a success. Like I said, I only paid $500 for it. Pretty much everything came with it. I had to buy a few things, but ultimately it was a great deal. I kind of already have an idea of what I want to do with this bike, but that's pretty much all for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see me finish this build, subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when I upload that video. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to AB Moto. In today's video, I'm going to be finishing up this 2005 Yz85 that I picked up for $500. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So as I stated in the previous video, I ordered some new plastics. Those finally arrived, so we're going to put those on. I had ordered some new grips as well, and those finally came in, so we're going to put those on. All right, I threw the gas tank and the seat on to kind of give y'all like a before. Here's a before of the other side. All right, now I got all the old plastics off. Now let's go ahead and start putting the new ones on. All right, let's go ahead and install it. All right, now I'm done with the front end. Got the front fender, front number plate, and the gas tank plastic. It's looking better already. Now let's go ahead and put the rear fender and the side plastics on. All right, now I got all the plastics on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the seat on. All right, this is what it looks like with the UFO restyle plastics. Now let me go ahead and install the grips to tie the look all together. All right, we have some Pro Taper grips. All right, here's the finished product. In my opinion, it came out really good. Here's the other side of the bike. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.